Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm looking a little crazy right now, but we getting festival ready. So yeah, this is what I kind of came up with on this side. So this little situation over here is what we about to do next. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to be taking my Jouer concealer and I'm just going to use this as my eyeshadow base, and I'm just going to blend that out with a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to take my Deck of Scarlet eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this light shade right here. I'm going to try to keep everything pretty much the same palette, but I needed a transition color. I wanted a warmer transition color, so yeah. And then I'm just going to begin to pack that into my crease area. Now, I did not set my concealer, so I have to pack on the eyeshadow first before I begin to blend it out, just to make sure that, you know, you're not blending like the sticky concealer. You want to make sure that you set that concealer first, because if not, it just makes this whole situation really hard. And I brought you guys closer because, yeah, I wanted you guys to see all that I have to offer. Alright, so the star of the show, I am going to be taking my Magnify eyeshadow palette from Rimmel London. Color, can we get into this palette? This palette is so pretty and it comes with such beautiful colors. I also went in with the Magnify Violet palette. So I'm going to go ahead and take my rainbow palette, and I'm going to be taking these two shades right here, and I'm going to begin to pack that right on top of that first shade that we used. So next I'm going to take the violet palette, and I'm going to be taking this matte shade right here, and I'm going to begin to pack that directly into the crease, and I'm adding this on the inner and outer corner of my eye, kind of like the sandwich technique, where you do like this corner and then this corner, and I'm just really blending and packing that color on until I get the intensity that I want. Next I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm focusing this mainly in the center of my lid. So next I'm going to take that same purple eyeshadow, and I'm going to begin to pack that right on the corner and begin to blend that upward a little bit, and we just kind of want to blend that out. See what I mean? If I start blending, it just starts acting really weird. I don't know why, and it could just be that it's the purple, I don't know. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the black out of that violet palette, and I'm going to begin to pack that like right in the corners, because we do want a little bit of depth. Oh wow, this is not doing what I needed to do. What is going on? So next I'm going to take these two purple shadows right here. These are shimmer shadows. Super pretty. And I'm going to begin to kind of pack that right on top. And I'm going to begin to blend that over. And then I'm going to take the teal shade, I'm gonna pack that right like on top and a little bit like away from me. And I'm gonna take this iridescent kind of purple whitish shade. It's iridescent in real life. And I'm going to blend her right in the center, giving it that kind of sandwich eye look. And then I'm gonna alternate going back and forth with the blue, and I'm slowly just blending this purple in there. So next I'm going to go ahead and go back into that rainbow palette, and I'm going to take this bright green shade, which is one of my favorite colors from this. And I'm just gonna pack that underneath my lower lash line. I'm really focusing that lime green shade in the inner corner. And then I'm going to kind of wing it out. And then I'm going to take that teal greenish shade and I'm going to pack that really, really close to my lash line so that it adds some depth. And then just to be a little bit extra, I am going to go into this MAC pigment that I have, which is a really bright green. And I'm just going to go ahead and take a little bit of that and pack that on. Alright, so now the fun part, which is the glitter. I'm going to take a little bit of my eyelash glue. And I'm going to just dabble it like right in this area, and you know, do it sparing, just do it kind of wild, I guess. And I'm just going to apply that. And then I'm gonna take this 3D glitter from MAC Cosmetics, but I'm gonna use this, and I'm just gonna pop this in this area right here. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of my iridescent white glitter, and that just sets it off. It just, now for this little brow situation we got going on, so random, but I just kind of wanted to utilize some of my products that I got from Rimmel London. So I'm gonna be taking this. This is actually for your lips. It's a liquid lip liner. I lied, it's in the shade Masterpiece. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit to my hand. As you can see, my hand has just been all over the place. But then I'm gonna take this little dotting tool that I use for my nails, and all I'm gonna do is just kind of follow my natural brow, and I'm just gonna create some dots. Next, I'm going to take my Scandal Eye Wow Wing mascara. So I'm going to be taking my Stay Matte Liquid Lip in Mocha. And then on top of that, I'm going to take this Stay Glossy Lip Gloss in Dorchester Rose. And then I'm going to just finish off with a little bit of my Rimmel London spray. And that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We made it through, we made it through, we made it through. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.